Are you tired of hackers and cybercriminals stealing your personal information? Do you want to protect your data and keep it private? Well, look no further. In this video, we're going to be talking about steganography, the art of hiding data within other data. This powerful technique will help you keep your information safe from prying eyes, and it's easier to use than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use steganography to protect your data and which software tools you can use to get started. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of steganography together. Steganography is a technique used to hide data within other data, such as images, audio files, and videos. The goal of steganography is to conceal the existence of the hidden data, making it difficult for someone to detect that it's there. This makes steganography a powerful tool for protecting sensitive information from hackers and cybercriminals. There are several software programs that can be used for steganography, including StaHide, Outguess, OpenStego, S-Tools, and Camouflage. In this video, we will focus on StaHide, as it is an open-source program that is easy to use and supports various file formats. Follow these steps to use StaHide. 1. Download and install StaHide on your computer. 2. Open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where the carrier file and the file you want to hide are located. 3. Use the following command to hide the file. StaHide embed ef file _to _hide.txt carrier _file.jpg. 4. You will be prompted to create a passphrase. Make sure to remember it, as you will need it to extract the hidden file later. 5. Once the command is executed, a new image will be created, and the original file will be hidden within it. 6. To extract the hidden file, use the following command. StaHide extract sf carrier _file.jpg. 7. You will be prompted to enter the passphrase you created earlier. Enter it, and the hidden file will be extracted. It's important to note that steganography is not a replacement for encryption but rather a complementary technique. Encryption is used to protect data in transit or at rest, while steganography is used to conceal the existence of data altogether. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you want to protect your data from hackers and cybercriminals, steganography is a powerful technique you should definitely consider. Remember, the key to keeping your information safe is to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. So, go out there and start hiding your data today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on cybersecurity, privacy, and more. Stay safe.